Hello my friends and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a column scrollable. I want to make a simple column scrollable. Don't mix it with the lazy column. Here I have a column inside my application and it's field max size. And then inside of this column I have 14 boxes, and each box represents one of the features of my application. Consider it's a weather app. Here is the city name, here is the current temperature, here is the forecast hourly, this is a daily forecast, and whatever. And here, as you can see, I have 9 boxes and half of the 10th box. But here I have 14 boxes. What about the rest? All of them are hiding here below the screen and I have no access to them. So what to do? I have to make this column scrollable to have access to this. Let's do it together. Here I have main UI function, composable function, and as I said, I have this simple column, this normal column, fill max size, and I have 14 boxes inside it. The size of the boxes are not equal because I want to show you that it's not a lazy column, it's a normal column, and each box represents a feature of our application. So we are using this gesture, a scrolling gesture, for two purposes. One of them, as I said, to have access to the rest of the features that are hiding from us, and the second one is to check the state of this scrolling and launch another feature. For example, I want to display a toast, or I want to hide the top bar, or maybe display the bottom bar when I start scrolling. I want to, for example, change the color of the top bar when I start scrolling, or maybe when I catch the end of a screen, I want to display a pop-up or something else. That's why we need to make a column scrollable and check the state of it. So this video has two parts. In the first part, I'm going to show you how to make it scrollable, and in the second part, I will show you how to check the state of this column. Let's start. Here I need some variables. First, let's start with the value, calling it scroll state. And it can be equal to, remember, scroll state, and let's pass it to this main UI. Scroll state equals to scroll state, and here it is. Then here I have the column modifier and dot vertical scroll, and I'm going to pass this scroll state here. And that's it. The column is now scrollable. Let's check it. As you see, I can scroll the screen, and now I have access to features number 11, 12, 13, and 14. And now this column, the entire column, has the state of it, the scrolling state of it, has a value based on the size of this column. I can check and control this state by knowing the value of it. So here I'm going to create a log to check the value of this scroll state. So scroll state value, and this is the tag, and as the message I'm going to write the current value, which is $, curly braces, scroll state dot value, and the max, which is the maximum amount of the maximum value of this scroll state. So here scroll state dot maximum value, and let's check it now. Okay, here I have the logcat level info, and as you can see, a scroll state value is here. The current value is 0 and the maximum value is 1643. Let's start scrolling, and you can see it here. I'm scrolling and you can see the value is changing between 0 to the max, which is, as I said, 1643. So now we have access to this value and we can use it. We need just if condition or something like that to check if we catch the max value, or if we are accessing to max divided by 2, which is the middle of this column, or it's 0, the start, or it's not equal to 0, that means we started the scrolling. How we can use it? I'm going to write here some lines of code to show you how you can use it, how you can check if we started scrolling or not. As I said, if the value is not equal to 0, that means we started scrolling. So here scrolled by remember, and alt and enter, alt and enter, and here drive the state of then scroll state dot value. If it's not equal to 0, that means we started scrolling. So now we can use this scroll variable and check it. If it's equal to 0, that means still nothing has happened, and if it's not equal to 0, that means that we are started scrolling. And based on this, you can launch anything you want. Instead of this part, you can use whatever you want. And that was everything about this video. In the next videos, I'm going to start showing you how to use the animation in Compose, and we will use this part there in those videos to launch some animations as a practical example of this. Be with me in those videos and you will learn a lot of different more things. Thanks for watching. If you are new in my channel, welcome, and if it's the first time that you are here, please subscribe to the channel, and please give me a thumbs up to help this video be watched by more people. If you have any comment, any question, any suggestion, write them down below in the comment box, and I will be so happy to read and answer them. Thank you for your time again, and bye bye.